First to the news that's coming in this evening. The BJP has hit out at ally JDU, telling Nitish Kumar to really focus on non-performing and corrupt UPA. The BJP says Nitish and his party must not target its own allies and the government that's run by them. This is the statement that was made towards the BJP, towards the JDU by the BJP. Don't dilute focus on removing UPA. The party also says it rejects all unfounded inferences on Narendra Modi.
It is unfortunate if they concentrate their energies on our chief ministers and dilute the focus of removing the UPA. The BJP will continue its determined effort in this direction. We reject all unfounded inferences against Sri Narendra Modi.
जिस ढंग से नरेंद्र मोदी ने गुजरात का विकास किया वह निश्चित रूप से बड़ा स्तुत्य है, प्रशंसनीय है और इसकी तारीफ सभी ने की है। हो सकता है कि नीतीश जी अनुभव कर रहे थे कि विकास काफी विकास की तरफ अग्रसर हो रहा है। हम लोग भी बिहार के विकास की तारीफ करते हैं। अब उनको लगा कि जितना ये कर रहे थे इससे ज्यादा कैसे गुजरात हो गया, तो स्वाभाविक है इससे ज्यादा कैसे हो गया, तो उसमें खामियां निकालेंगे ही।
Getting in Maria Shakil for more on this. Maria, I just want to focus on Nirmala Sitharaman's statement that we just heard, basically saying that Nitish should not be targeting his own allies, they should be focusing on the UPA. All questions really on the future of this alliance.
That's right, Fatima, and this is a very structured response that has come from the BJP, and perhaps on expected lines, one would say, because over the last 4 hours we have been trying to get BJP spokespersons on record, and all of them had refused. So finally a response coming, and this is a defense of Narendra Modi. What we are seeing essentially is the first chapter in this conflict between the JDU and the BJP playing out in the national capital. What Nitish Kumar actually said, he took an open dig at Narendra Modi, and then BJP coming out in defense of Narendra Modi, saying that the focus should essentially be on the UPA and not the Gujarat chief minister.
Okay, and of course a lot of sort of thought really on whether the JDU can really snap off those ties with the BJP in Bihar.
Well, what it looks like, Fatima, is that Nitish Kumar has raised the pitch. He has taken the entire fight and the opposition against Narendra Modi to a crescendo. He has made it very, very clear that that Narendra Modi is not acceptable. He may not have said this in as many words, but there were ample indications, be it the topi reference or the cap reference that he talked about, or the inclusive developmental model that Nitish Kumar has been pitching for. So clearly the Bihar chief minister has been scathing in several ways in his attack, but again, as I said, that this is the first chapter. What we'll have to wait and see as to how the entire alliance between the BJP and the JDU plays out post the 4 states elections that are scheduled for November this year.